Good afternoon. If you've already put away your winter weather wardrobe, it might be worth remembering where you put it. You might need it this week. Quite a big change in the forecast. It is going to turn much colder. And yes, for some of us, there will be some snow. The nights turning increasingly cold and frosty as well. It feels quite chilly out there for some of us today, where we've got lots of mist and murk and low cloud. That was the scene in London earlier on. You can see that on the earlier satellite picture.
Hello there. So we're going to see quite a change in the weather forecast as we go through the next few days.
Hello there. Over recent days we've had lots of blue skies and sunshine, and it's been very warm for March, with temperatures peaking at about 21 degrees Celsius. Might come something as a surprise to know then in the week ahead it's going to get a lot colder, and potentially for some of you cold enough to see even a little bit of snow over hills. Now today there's been a lot more cloud around some of our North Sea coast, and look at these very weird lines in the cloud in the North Sea. Kind of looks like a giant noughts and crosses board. Any idea what caused that? Well, I'll tell you the answer a little bit later on. There'll be some very cold north to northeasterly winds blowing in, and the temperatures, you can forget all about the high teens to low 20s. We'll be looking around 6 or 7 degrees Celsius for a number of us. Now, the main thing I'm confident with Wednesday and Thursday is that we're likely to see snow up over the hills, maybe around 5 to perhaps 15 centimetres possibility. The thing I'm not so sure about is if this weather system slows down, and it could do, we might get some localised falls of snow around the northwest of this low pressure down to lower levels, and that could bring some disruption, but it is something that's quite uncertain just at the moment. What will follow though for Thursday night is another widespread and sharp frost, and for Friday we're looking at a day of sunshine and wintry showers, still with those cold winds, and the temperatures will continue to be well below average for the time of year. For many, around 6 to 9 degrees Celsius or so, maybe some 10s towards southern Wales and southwest England. Back to that quiz I set you at the start of the forecast. These straight lines are caused by the pollution from ship funnels crossing the North Sea. That pollution just thickens the cloud up, makes it a bit more shiny. These are called ship tracks. That's the latest. Bye for now.
Hello there. After the warm and often sunny days we've become used to lately, the forecast for this week may well come as a shock to the system. It is going to turn quite a lot colder. There's snow in the forecast for some, and the nights will become increasingly cold and frosty.